Summit Credit Union presents How Not to Buy a Home. Don't fly solo. Do soak up all the knowledge you can from people who understand how it works. Read up, get in touch, ask lots of questions. Feel free to meet up with Summit loan officers and local realtors at an After 5 event, or attend one of our seminars where you'll hear advice like, don't blow your budget. Do leave yourself a comfortable cushion. Get a free pre-approval so you can shop in your price range and settle in with a monthly payment that still leaves money in your pocket, in case you need anything for the house. Don't rush into it. Do pay a lower interest rate for big savings over the years and a smaller payment every month by building up your down payment and boosting your credit score first. That said, don't wait. Do come into Summit and let's talk about buying a home, even if you think you're not quite there yet financially, especially because we can help with that too. Summit Credit Union.